How to create download link in Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can create download link on Google Drive. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Drive. So you can open up Google Chrome and click on this Google Apps. Now open up Drive and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you're here, first of all, we have to upload a file. For that, click on this plus new at the top left corner. And here, click on File Upload. Then select the file that you want to upload into your Drive. Then click on Open. Now once the file is completed, refresh your Drive and check whether you can find it or not. So here is the video or the file that I have uploaded recently. Now to share the link to this file so that the person, whoever you have shared it, will be able to download, click on this three dot icon next to it. And here click on Share. Then again go to Share. Once you see this kind of pop-up in your interface, under General Access, you have to edit this access. Click on Restricted. Now click on Anyone with the link so that anyone, whoever gets the link to this file, will be able to download your file. Once you have done that, now click on Copy the link. Now once the link has been copied, you can share the link to this folder that you have copied recently and share it with anyone that may be your friend. So once they open up the link, they will be able to download this file. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.